If you've got a 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler and are looking for an easy bolt-on step, today we're going to be installing a set of these trigger side steps onto our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Now these trigger side steps easily unbolt and remove with just two 13mm bolts and one of the factory bolts up front. They're constructed out of a durable steel material and feature a perforated section in the center here to make getting in and out of your vehicle much easier. Now today we're going to show you how to install them on a four-door. Let's get started. To get these installed on the front of the Jeep, the only bolt you have to remove, that's a factory bolt, is going to be right here directly below the door jamb, and it's going to mount up into the underside of your tub. The only tool you're going to need is a ratchet, a 13mm socket, and a small extension. So the first thing we're going to do is get that bolt pulled out, and then we're going to set the side step up into place. Here's a shot of what that bolt will look like. It might have a flat washer or not, depending on the year of your vehicle. So what we're going to do to get these installed is loosen up both of these clamps here, and then that bolt that we just removed is going to go through this rear hole. That's going to go right into the body mount. That way it aligns it up perfectly with the Rubicon Rock Rails. I'm going to go ahead and set on the floor, put this bolt up through, and then clamp the edge of the Rubicon Rock Rail in between here on the side step. Let's do that. I like to get that bolt started first. Make sure both sides of my clamps are on. And then we're going to use that trusty 13mm socket here and go ahead and tighten down those two outer ones as well as the factory bolt. Then the last thing we'll do is tighten up the Rubicon Rock Rail bolt that goes in through the tub. And that's going to be it for the front there. The rear is going to be the exact same process, besides the fact that you have to remove a bolt from the Rubicon Rock Rail. The rear is only going to clamp on with those two, so basically we're going to get that lined up and only worry about the two clamping sections to get those tightened up. There's no bolt that goes into the underside of the tub, so let's do that now. Just get it over the rail there. All right guys, in a matter of about 10 minutes, we've got these trigger removable side steps mounted up to our 2016 four-door Wrangler. Now these steps are nice because they can be removed and kept in place depending on what scenario you're going to be in. If you're off-road, you'll definitely want to make sure you take these off as they do hang down pretty low. However, you can do that simply with a 13mm socket and about 10 minutes of your time. Now we have these available for both two-door and four-door 07 to 18 JK as well as JKU. If you guys want to check these out, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.